All right, here we are. East Texas duct tape. I'm gonna show you this creation that we're making tonight. So, we had some egg noodles, we had some ranch dressing, some of that cheese, buffalo sauce. And then we had some leftover rotisserie chicken from the Walmarts down in town. And right there, look at there. Oh, baby. It might be good, it might be bad. We got two boys here tonight, my son and his friend. So we're gonna try this wonderfulness out. Oh man, looking mighty tasty. Also put a can of that cream of chicken in there, make it a little more creamy, but it's definitely thickening it up in there. Oh yeah, look at that. Boy howdy. Ooh baby, that's gonna be some deliciousness tonight. So yeah, so that's what we're doing tonight. And then we we burned all them branches out in the yard, keeping it up at the homestead, using what we got, trying to save money, so we can do other stuff. But anyway, just wanted to show you what we're eating tonight. Ooh boy, yummy. All right, so the wife is over at a friend's house tonight for her birthday. She recommended that I put this milk in here because it was looking a little chunky when I sent her the video that y'all are gonna be watching. And I think she's right. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just adding that milk in there. That way it's not as sticky, not as clumpy. I'm just waiting to plate it up here in just a minute. So, all right, thanks for hanging in there. All right, there she is all plated up. Give this a little bit of a try. See what's going on here. Ooh-wee. My dear Lord. Oh my goodness. Wow. So simple, but yet so delicious. And you know what? Just needed that milk. Mama's right. With it being close to Mother's Day tomorrow and all, y'all need to thank your mother. Seriously, you need to thank her. I mean, my wife's not my mother, but still a mother said, you should have milk. And you know what? Good Lord, she was right. Makes all the difference. Wee. All right, East Texas duct tape. Let's see these boys try this out. Let's see what they think. I need their honest opinions. Honest opinions. Watch the. Look at that. Let's see what.
I actually am.
Is that good?
Hell yeah.
All right. Okay. Okay. Look at that, boys. Hey, boys.
Chill out.
All right. All right.
Chill